that spins around. Find a circle where it can be found. Shapes are fun, they're everywhere we go. Triangles and squares put on a show. Pointy or round, they're never the same. Let's learn the shapes and play this game. Here comes a square with four sharp sides, like a window where the sunlight hides. It's steady and strong, it never bends. Find a square, let's make some friends. Shapes are fun, they're everywhere we go. Triangles and squares put on a show. Pointy or round, they're never the same. Let's learn the shapes and play this game. Triangles peak up like a mountain high. Three sides going from the earth to the sky. Let's count them up on 1, 2, 3, and spot some triangles with glee. Rectangles long like a red brick wall. Two sides short, two sides tall. It's everywhere, just take a look, in the screen or in a book. Shapes are fun, they're everywhere we go. Triangles and squares put on a show. Pointy or round, they're never the same. Let's learn the shapes and play this game. Triangles peak up like a mountain high. Three sides going from the earth to the sky.